Alright, welcome to my channel guys, and today I have great news for the people who's running iOS 14.0 on their device. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get plus apps on your iOS 14. I'm sure that most of you guys probably already updated to latest version after WWDC, and you guys probably running the iOS 14, and you guys probably want to download the plus app on your device. You guys don't want to pay for it, so you guys can have those paid feature on your device for free. So I came across one of the method, and I want to share with you guys, and that's why I decided to go and make a video and share with you guys. Before we start this video, please let me asking you guys to please subscribe to my channel and smash that bell icon so you guys get notified any video I drop in the future. So now that's out of the way, I'm going to show you guys first that I am running iOS 14.0. As you guys can see, if we go to my setting, about, and as you guys can see, I am running the iOS 14. It's not a picture or anything. I am going to my setting and I'm showing you guys it is the latest version. And as you guys can see, my home screen, I got all those widgets, I got the app library and everything on my app because I'm running iOS 14.0. So today I'm going to show you guys how to get the plus app, for example Spotify, YouTube, and more stuff, and the games, and you guys really need to jump on this and hurry and install this before Apple revoked it, because you guys know Apple been on third-party application really hard. Every time they re-sign the application, Apple go ahead and revoke it. So now I'm not gonna keep wasting your time guys, and I'm gonna get right into this, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get it. So all you want to do is open up your Safari, and then you want to put this link in. I'm going to put this link in the description below as well, so you guys can just copy and paste from there. And as you guys can see right here, we got the Uncover, we got the Movie Box Pro, we got a Delta game, and then we got a Flappy Bird, Minecraft. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys, and I'm going to go ahead and install this Uncover. You guys can see it really works. So you click on that, and then you can do install. And once we hit install, we go to our home screen, and right there is installing. Let's give it a second. There you go. And now if we open it, as you guys can see, it's not opening because we have to. Now we're gonna go to setting app right there, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to journal, and then we're gonna go to profile and device management, and it's the bottom one right there, you guys can see, and we're gonna click on that, and then we're gonna trust, and follow by trust, and as you guys can see, it's verified. Now we're gonna go back and try to open the Uncover and see what happens. There you go, it opened up, it's signed, and yeah, it says unsupported because we are running iOS 14, but it shows that it's working, it's ready to go. So now we're gonna go back to the website, Safari, and then I'm gonna show you guys a few more application, and make sure it's downloading and it's working. We're gonna go to Safari plus. Now this one right there, and we're gonna hit install, and we're gonna go back to home. There you go, it's installing right now. Just give a second and it should install, and then I'm going to open up and show you guys. There you go, it's installed. And then once we open it, as you guys can see, you get all these features, unlimited skip, no ads, no nothing. So stream unlock, all that feature that you get with the paid Safari feature. All you want to do is hit on thank you, and then that's it, and you log in. What I'm going to do, I'm going to log in using my Facebook. Let's try that. Open. There you go, and continue and open, and it's logging in. Continue, and now allow. Once we go to the setting, and then we go to the account, as you guys can see, we got premium access. So we can play any song, we can skip as many we want. There won't be any ad, anything. So you got access, full access to your Spotify, and it's working perfect. And I'm gonna download one more application just to show you guys. It's really working. It's really nice, and all I ask you guys to please go and do it right now before I get revoked. So, and also I just want to mention a quick message I want to give you guys. Now, if it's gonna work as far your device is charged, and let's say your device die, or you run out of battery, and all these applications gonna get revoked. So you want to keep in mind, never let your battery die or reboot. So if you do that, then you're gonna have to do the whole process over again, and this is not good. So you got all these plus applications. You got Tinder plus, you got the Instagram plus, you got the YouTube plus, Twitter plus, and you got the Hotspot Shield plus. You got so many applications to check out from, and this is really awesome, really nice. And I'm gonna show you guys, like I promised, I'm gonna show you guys one more application, and let's see, which one should we try? Okay, we're gonna try this one. We're gonna try the let's see, we're gonna go to High Games, and we're gonna try the Pokemon Go. Let's try if this works. I mean, it's still brand new method. It did not install, so that mean there is some applications that are signed, some still developer probably working on it. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back in, and we're gonna try the let's try the Minecraft. So this one right there, install, and as you guys can see, that one is not working as well. So I mean, like I say, Spotify, the Jailbreak, Uncover Jailbreak. I'm gonna install one more just to show you guys. We're gonna try the Flappy Bird, and let's see if this one is working. Look like it is working. It's gonna install. It's installing right now. So let's give a few. There you go. It's installed. So we're gonna. I'm gonna open up. There you go. It's fully working. You can start playing, and it's really awesome news, guys. And that's why I just want to make a quick video and bring it out to you guys, so you guys can install and get it on your iOS 14. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumb up, and also subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss anything in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.